Learn how to efficiently create support tickets in Veda academic system, from initiating a ticket to providing detailed information and submitting it. This guide will walk you through each step required in the process. You can see the question mark icon located at the bottom right on Veda academic dashboard. Click on it to open the list. Now, select Support Ticket from the list. Click on Create Ticket option. Type in the title for the ticket. Title should summarize the purpose for creating ticket. Choose appropriate ticket type from the list consisting General Inquiry, Technical Support, and Feedback Suggestion. Select the priority level for the issue from Low, Medium, and High. Fill in the description box with details about the issue or task to be done in such a way that it is precise and easy to understand. You can attach supporting images for the issue from this section. Type in your email address. Type in your contact number so that support members may be able to contact if you need it. Now, click on Submit button to create the ticket. To view information regarding your ticket, click on Details option. Here you can view your ticket status and other relevant information. To make changes to your ticket, click on Edit, which is next to Details. After making necessary changes, click on Submit. The thing to note is that you can edit your ticket only till the ticket status is Ticket Under Review. Once the ticket status is updated to Assigned to Support Agent, you can no longer edit your ticket. This was a step-by-step guide on how you, our valued clients, can easily create support tickets from our Veda academic system with no hassle. Thank you.
Veda, transforming education through technology.